Now to southeastern Africa, where it's my very first time here in Mozambique.
And I've come to Inhambane, otherwise known as Terra da Boa Gente, land of the good people.
Como é que nasceu pobre e morreu herói? Conta que Buza era filho de pobre, Malangatana era filho de pobre, Potachisano era filho de pobre, mesmo Samora era filho de pobre, Domingues
Obrigado.
Dola é filho de pobre, Papá Mandela é filho de pobre, mesmo Obama é filho de pobre.
And it's not just the stunning beaches that have brought me here.
Vamos combater a pobreza absoluta. Nascer pobre já é trunfo para o sucesso.
As early as the 11th century, this bay has served as a port for one of Inhambane's most important commodities.
Filho do pobre é filho de Deus. Muito cuidado com o filho do pobre.
Fabric.
Muito cuidado com o filho.
And through Portuguese colonial influence, waves of Arabic and Indian immigration, and of course the slave trade, I reckon this is a pretty perfect place to start exploring the richness of the African textile industry.
The last time I was in South Africa was 1996, so it was post-apartheid, but we were a mixed-race family. People saw us, they assumed they're South African, and of course me being the age that I was at the time, my birth would have been during apartheid and therefore completely illegal. My dad was violently assaulted in one predominantly black area of Johannesburg. My mum experienced some quite nasty racism in predominantly white areas of Johannesburg, and it wasn't the rainbow nation that we thought it would be, that we expected it would be, that we hoped it would be. So almost 2 decades on, I'm back and I'm going to see if it is yet.